Fidelity Retirement Planner Honest review. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick review, honest review about this retirement planner from Fidelity. So Fidelity offer a comprehensive retirement planning tools within its planning and guidance center, designed to help users assess and plan their retirement readiness. So here are the key features about this retirement planner. So here are the key features about the plan. So the planning comes with a details projection. So the tools provide simulation based on various market conditions, offering insight into how different scenarios might impact your retirement saving. And also it comes with a customizable assumption. Users can adjust assumptions such as investment return, inflation rate, retirement age, to see how change affect their retirement outlook. And also have the integration with the Fidelity account. So for Fidelity customers, the tools seamlessly integrate with the existing account, provide real-time data and personalized recommendation. So here's the advantages. I'm going to walk you through with the advantages and the disadvantages of this investment plan. So for the advantages of the investment plan, it comes with the comprehensive and flexible. It is very comprehensive and flexible. Users have praised the tools for its flexibility and the comprehensive nature, allowing for details and retirement planning. It also comes with a users-friendly interface. So the platform is designed to be intuitive and making it accessible for individuals with a varying level of financial expertise. And also it is free access. So both Fidelity customers and non-customers can access the retirement planning tools at no cost, making it widely available. And here's the downside: the high investment minimums for advisory service. So Fidelity personalized advisory service require a minimum investment of $500,000, which may be a barrier for some investors. And also it comes with potential overestimation. Some users have reported that the tool's projection can be overly optimistic, especially if not all varies are accurately imputed. And here is the overview and a final verdict about this investment plan. So Fidelity Retirement Planning Tools is a robust resource for individuals seeking to map out their retirement strategy. It is comprehensive, features and users-friendly, designed make it a valuable tools for both Fidelity customers and non-Fidelity customers. However, those considering Fidelity's advisory services should be aware of the high investment minimums. As with any planning tools, it is essential to input accurate data and consider multiple scenarios to get the most realistic project. So that's it. Find this video helpful. Turn on the notification button and follow for more.